Hey, it's Ben. I have this meat temperature guide. It's like a sign. The company sent this to me to check out. So um, let's take a look. This is just like vinyl or something. Is sort of like thick paper like. It's not paper, but it's thick vinyl like. And on the back is fully magnetized. So this can be placed on your refrigerator or close to your oven, where you can reference it. It's nice because it covers beef, pork, poultry, and seafood, but it also has like the name of the level of cooking, the temperature, as well as a physical description. So you have like three different reference points on checking your meat. Then, as far as sticking it up, it does cling just right to really easily to the refrigerator, and you can see it there. Just easy reference point. So stick it nearby where you do your cooking, and it's pretty handy. There's additional resources and offerings at the bottom from the company, and I think it's just a handy guide. I like that it's magnetized, it's big, it's very extensive, it offers a lot of information. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.